There's a fine line between interest and obsession. Want to know how to cross it? Let's be real. Getting a man's attention is one thing, but getting him to stay up at night thinking about you, picturing you in his future, and feeling like you're the one who got into his soul, that's a whole different game. Most women try to win a man by giving more love, more time, more effort. But here's the truth. It's not about doing more. It's about doing the right few things that quietly mess with his mind in all the right ways. In this video, I'm revealing 7 powerful, almost psychological secrets that make a man think about you nonstop, even when he tries not to. These aren't your typical flirty tips. These are obsession triggers. And don't skip number 5. It's the ultimate obsession trigger most women overlook, and it works like magic. 1. Be mysteriously predictable. Here's the paradox. Men want consistency, but they also crave the thrill of the unknown. So how do you give both by being mysteriously predictable? He should know you care. He should feel emotionally safe with you, but what keeps him chasing, what makes him obsessed, is that little part of you that stays just out of reach. Maybe it's how you respond to texts with warmth, but then go silent for a bit because, well, you've got a life. Or how you always wear his favorite perfume on dates, but show up one day with a whole new vibe that still feels so you. That's the magic. You're reliable, but never boring. Leave subtle gaps in your stories. Start telling him about something interesting that happened, but stop short and say, I'll tell you the rest later. Watch how his mind keeps circling back, filling in the blanks. Men obsess over puzzles they haven't finished. And you, my dear, are the most beautiful one he's ever tried to solve. 2. Speak to his ego without stroking it. There's a huge difference between flattering a man and awakening his masculine energy. You don't want to stroke his ego like every other woman. You want to speak to it in a way that feels real and powerful. Men are wired to seek respect. So when you notice something he's genuinely proud of and call it out in a way that sounds thoughtful and effortless, you unlock something deep. For example, say this, you have a calming energy. I bet people come to you for advice a lot. That's not a generic compliment. It tells him you see him. You notice his presence, his power, his impact. And the best part, you're not saying it to get something, you're just observing. That hits different. It makes him feel important without making you look impressed. And when a man feels seen and valued without the usual fanfare, he'll start to crave that feeling again and again. And guess who gives it to him? You. 3. Create a signature experience with him. Want to know what makes a man emotionally hook on to you? It's not how good you look, it's how good he feels when he's with you. Obsession is rooted in memory. So the goal is simple. Create a moment with him that no one else ever has. Maybe it's a late-night rooftop picnic under fairy lights. Maybe you both try something new together, like a cooking class, a crazy hike, or dancing barefoot in the rain. Doesn't have to be expensive, it just has to be unforgettable. The brain holds on to firsts, so when you give him a first-time feeling, an experience that breaks his routine, you leave an emotional imprint. He'll keep coming back to that moment and to you. Here's the cliffhanger. The experience you give him should feel like him and you, not a generic date. Tailor it to his vibe, his interests, his humor. That's what makes it signature. That's what makes it unforgettable. 4. Use the power of silence strategically. Sometimes the most powerful message is the one you don't send. You've probably experienced this. You leave his message on read and suddenly he's calling you. Why? Because silence activates his mind in ways words never could. Men are naturally wired to pursue, to solve, to gain clarity. So when you go quiet, not as a punishment, but as a power move, you trigger his need to understand you again. You break the pattern he's used to. This doesn't mean playing childish games. It means knowing when to pause, when to let the conversation breathe, when to not immediately respond to that wide text just because it buzzed on your phone. Let him feel your absence. Give him space to miss you. Silence invites curiosity, and curiosity builds obsession. It makes him wonder, is she pulling away? Is she busy? Is she still thinking about me? The key is balance. You don't want to disappear completely. You want to be just unavailable enough to create desire. When your energy isn't always predictable, it becomes irresistible. 5. Mirror his deepest values. Here's a truth most women miss. Men don't obsess over women they lust for. They obsess over women who reflect what matters most to them. It's not about being a copy of him. It's about understanding what drives him, his deepest values. Is he career-driven, family-oriented? Does he value honesty, freedom, discipline, or adventure? Once you know what he truly values, mirror it back to him in your own authentic way. For example, if he's passionate about growth and ambition, don't just say, "That's great." Instead, show him you have goals too, that you're on your own path, that you value progress. Don't brag, don't compete, just align. When a man sees you as someone who moves in the same direction, even if you're on different roads, he'll feel magnetically understood, and understanding creates emotional obsession because he starts thinking, this woman gets me. She's rare. She fits into my future. 6. Playfully challenge him. Let's be clear, we're not talking about drama, we're talking about playful challenge, the kind that wakes up his masculine core and keeps the connection fresh, exciting, and competitive in the best way. Men are biologically wired to pursue, but many women make it too easy. They give attention, validation, even commitment before he's earned it. Instead, challenge him lightly, tease him, disagree on fun topics like pineapple definitely doesn't belong on pizza, or you're so wrong about that movie. Laugh with him, push back, make it a game. But here's the twist. Reward him when he rises to the challenge. When he plans something great, light up. When he shows effort, say, "I love that you did that." That's how you keep him chasing and enjoying the chase. You're not being difficult, you're being captivating. He should feel like earning your full attention is a fun mission, not a given. 7, make him feel like he's winning with you. This might be the most important one and the most overlooked. Men love the chase, yes, but what makes them stay, what makes them obsessed, is the feeling that they're winning when they're with you. Men are natural achievers. They want to feel like the hero in their own story. And when a woman reflects back that you make my life better, even in small ways, it unlocks something deep. So here's your move. Celebrate his small wins. It could be as simple as, "I'm proud of how you handled that," or "That was such a smart way to solve it." Show appreciation for his efforts, but don't overdo it. It's not about inflating his ego. It's about letting him feel competent, respected, and powerful with you. Because once a man feels like being around you makes him better, more successful, more masculine, more admired, he won't just want you, he'll feel like he needs you. And that's where obsession truly begins. If you want a man to be deeply obsessed with you, it's not about chasing him. It's about becoming the woman he can't stop thinking about. Use these secrets wisely, and he'll feel like he found the rarest kind of connection. If this video gave you some aha moments, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which tip you're trying first. If you're ready to master the art of attraction and unlock his obsession, make sure you subscribe. You're not going to want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching.